Why everyone is poorer than they think. Did you know most people who look financially comfortable are actually one paycheck away from being broke? Even high earners often live paycheck to paycheck, not because they don't make enough, but because they don't manage it right. The truth is, wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and how smartly you use it. Today, we're breaking down why so many people are poorer than they think and how to fix it. Let's start with the biggest trap: lifestyle inflation. Every time people earn more, they spend more. A raise means a nicer car, a bigger apartment, or another streaming subscription. You feel richer, but you're really just maintaining the same financial level with fancier expenses. You might make $5,000 a month but spend $4,900. That's not wealth, that's survival. Real wealth is when your money works for you, not when you're constantly chasing the next paycheck. The second reason, people confuse income with wealth. Income is what flows in. Wealth is what stays. You can have a high income and still be broke. Ask yourself, if your paycheck stopped today, how long could you live without borrowing money? That's your true financial stability test. So, what's the fix? Focus on building assets, not just earning more. Save consistently, even $100 a month. Invest it wisely. In index funds, retirement accounts, or a side hustle that grows over time. Every dollar you invest becomes a little worker that earns money while you sleep. Third, debt disguised as comfort. Credit cards, car loans, buy now, pay later, all make you feel rich. But they actually trap you in financial quicksand. When you pay interest instead of earning it, you're on the wrong side of the money game. Start by paying off one small debt, then move to the next. The momentum will build. Each debt you clear is one less chain holding you back. The fourth reason, a short-term mindset. Most people use money for comfort. The wealthy use money for freedom. They think long-term, and every financial decision is intentional. Before you buy something, ask, will this make me richer, poorer, or keep me the same? That one question can completely change how you spend. For example, investing $200 today could become over $2,000 in 30 years. Now imagine doing that every month. That's how wealth quietly grows. And finally, people don't track their money. If you don't know where your money goes, you'll never control it. Track every dollar, even small ones. Awareness creates discipline, and discipline creates financial freedom. You can use apps or even a simple spreadsheet. The goal isn't to restrict, it's to see clearly. So, to recap, you're poorer than you think if you upgrade your lifestyle every time you earn more. You confuse income with wealth. You rely on debt for comfort. You think short-term. And you don't track your money. Fix these, and you'll already be ahead of most people financially. Wealth isn't luck, it's choices. Start small, be intentional, and let your money grow while you focus on building your future. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more simple, actionable finance tips. And tell me in the comments, what's one money habit you want to fix this year? Remember, you're not behind. You're just one smart decision away from changing your financial story.